this is me, BBBB Bomberman, and this is to Flareball 1. I was going to ask for the chef thing that Shellblade 1 told me about. The chef where I'm the guest and I'm getting attacked by these assassins and stuff like that. I was going to ask can I be like, oh no, don't attack me, I'm too cute, and then they go like, oh, and I just run away because I like running away. It's fun and stuff. Anyways, I'm just here to comment you, telling you got pretty good videos. Like, oh yeah, this isn't also for Flareball 1. This is also a shout out to who is it for again? Super Bow Bros, Damebo's gaming channel. You got pretty nice videos. That's all I gotta say practically, cause you do have a lot of nice videos. You make funny videos and stuff like that. So Flareball 1, I'll just write a little bar thing, whatever you do, connection thing. I'm new to YouTube, okay? And put it there to click where to skip to, so you could just end your part. And I'm gonna put it after I make this video. So yeah, I hear you laughing. I'm making this before you watch it, so like I'm hearing you laughing in the future. That's a Super Bowl Bros reference. Good job. Thanks you. Bye.